Tolu, you've had sickle cell since you were a child, right? You'll probably grow out of it. That's one of the biggest myths people believe.
Really?
Sickle cell disease doesn't disappear with age. I wish it worked that way. But sickle cell isn't something you outgrow. It's something you learn to live with.
Many people believe sickle cell disappears as people become adults. The truth is, it doesn't.
What does a normal day look like? Normal? Let me show you. Every morning, before checking social media, before breakfast, before leaving home, I check my meds. These aren't optional, they're part of my routine. Just like brushing my teeth. Every single day, single day. You're not even in pain today. Why are we here? Because staying healthy isn't just about treating pain, it's about preventing it. Your blood work looks good, keep drinking enough water, continue your medications, and don't ignore fatigue. So these appointments stop bigger problems? Exactly. The goal isn't just surviving, it's helping you live well. You're always carrying water because dehydration can trigger a pain crisis on staying hydrated. I never knew water could be that important. For me, water isn't just a drink, it's part of my treatment. Come on, stay longer! I'd love to, but I need to go home and rest. Already? You're leaving because you're tired? Sometimes, if I ignore my body today, I'll pay for it tomorrow. Some days I'm in pain, some days I'm exhausted, some days I'm afraid, but I still laugh and show up. I honestly thought everything was okay. Living with sickle cell means carrying invisible battles. I used to think people with sickle cell just needed medicine. Now I understand. They also need understanding, patience, support. Exactly. Don't pity us. Walk with us. Learn about the condition. And treat us with kindness. Because we're living life, just differently.
Expectation, you'll grow out of it. Reality, taking medications, attending regular medical checkups, staying hydrated, and making daily choices that protect your health.
It isn't a weakness. It isn't a limitation. It's a lifelong journey that requires courage, discipline, and support.